GigaCAD Plus Beginner Tutorial, the simple cube. In this tutorial we're going to be looking at how to create a cube in GigaCAD Plus. First of all, load and run a GigaCAD Plus, and let's get started. Go to the editor and select the flächen. Draw the square face and exit with the left arrow key. Move the face on x-axis 20 points down on the view from above. Copy the face with the plus key and move the new face on x-axis 40 points up. Now press the star key to connect the original and a new face. The cube is done with the origin in the middle of the object. We are done with Object 3D modeling. Let's save our work. Exit with the left arrow key and exit the editor mode. It is a good practice to save the object, especially if we are going to rotate it. Select Disk menu, press B and A, choose File name and press Return. Exit. Let's look at the object in perspective. Before we start rendering, we're going to zoom the camera and rotate the object to make the scene a little bit more interesting. Use joystick to select the border lines, Fire to confirm. Select Form menu to rotate the object. We are rotating at 15 degrees counterclockwise on Y-axis and 30 degrees on Z-axis. And you can see. We're going to go into the Mode Setup menu and select C to activate the line view mode. This time only line view, but you can choose D instead for face shading. We will show more options next time. That's all. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.